Ever wondered how interior designers create those stunning spaces that make you feel at home? Interior design, more than mere aesthetics, is a subtle art that influences our mood and productivity. It's an intriguing dance of colors, textures, and patterns, all beautifully orchestrated to shape our experiences within a space. Creating an interior design is like telling a story, where every piece of furniture, color, and texture has a role to play. The first step in this narrative is understanding the client's needs and preferences. Just like authors need to know their audience, interior designers need to comprehend the client's vision, lifestyle, and the function of the space they're designing. Next comes the brainstorming stage. They help us to refine our ideas, making sure we're not straying too far from the client's expectations. The third step, selecting materials, colors, and furniture. This is like choosing the right words to express our story. Finally, we execute the design. This stage involves bringing our ideas to life and transforming the space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of design.